Welcome investors! Today we will be talking about another very small position in company stock which I own. It is the most expensive stock I own, and I own only about 20 shares of this stock. Recently this company went up a lot and I'm very happy because of this. This is one of the biggest defense contractors in the world. We will be talking about Northrop Grumman. This company manufactures military aircrafts, drones, military vehicles, missiles defense systems, rocket launch systems, satellites, equipment used in space technology. Speaking of military aircrafts, it is worth to mention that Northrop Grumman is manufacturing B-2 Spirit, the world's only one so far stealth bomber, which will be replaced in 2026 and 27 by B-21 Raider, currently under development. And by now, first model is probably completed and the second B-21 Raider is being built up in United States Air Force Plant 42 in California. B-21 is a fifth generation global precision attack platform, surpassing the current B-2 Spirit. There are just examples of what Northrop Grumman is doing. They are manufacturing much more military equipment such as radars, electronic warfare systems, communications and network systems, processing systems, navigations, propulsions, engines and much more. Let's take a look at the capital structure of Northrop Grumman. We'll take a look at the dividends of the company, revenue and net income.
So let's take a look at the capital structure of Northrop Grumman. Market cap of the company is $59.63 billion. Total debt of the company is $14.16 billion. Cash on hand is $3.52 billion. Enterprise value is almost $70 billion. So it is a big, big company. Um, Another companies in this category are General Dynamics, which I also have the shares of this company, L3 Harris Technologies Incorporated, and then Transdigm Group Incorporated, and BAE Systems PLC. So those are the closest competitors to Northrop Grumman. Many times those companies cooperate with each other and they do share projects. So they are not really strict competitors because on this level, what I mean by this, on the top, those companies, there's no such a thing like a new company just coming in from nowhere. So there is just a handful of big companies like Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics, Raytheon Technologies, and a couple of those which I mentioned here, which are at the top tier of defense industries. Let's take a look right now and dividend growth for past 10 years. And as you can see, dividends are steadily growing over the time, which is also a good indication that the company is stable and a reliable payer of dividends. Let's take a look right now at the net income of the company and revenue. Let's take a look first at the revenue. Revenue for 2016 was $24 billion, 2017 was 26 billion, 2018 30 billion, 2019 33 billion, 2020 36 billion, and the last 12 trailing months revenue is $37 billion. As you can see, the pandemic time does not really affect this industry. Let's take a look quickly at net income. Net income of the company for 2016 is $2 billion, 2017 2.9, 2018 3.2 billion, 2019 2.2 billion, and 2020 is $3.2 billion. And 12 trailing months is $4.5 billion. I think you don't see this here. It is the next line over here. So again, this is showing that Northrop Grumman did not really suffer because of the virus situation around the world.
Now let's take a look at my small holdings of Northrop Grumman.
My shares of Northrop Grumman I started buying in June 30th, 2020. I bought 10 shares, and at the same day I also bought another 10 shares. For 10 shares I pay $306.52, and for another 10 shares I pay $306.02. As of right now, which is May 20th, 2021, price for the Northrop Grumman is $370. So my total investment was $6,212.79, and as of right now, those shares are worth $7,512.19. Around $1,300 appreciation. And as you can see here, on September 16, 2020, December 16, 2020, March 17, 2021, Northrop Grumman is paying dividends. So this is, like I mentioned, the most expensive stock which I purchased, and I could put more shares at that time back then, but I decided to buy just a little bit to have a small exposure to this great company. The rest of the money I invested in less expensive stocks of defense contractors. I own two more defense contractors. One is the Raytheon Technologies, which I did make the video about, and another is General Dynamics Corporation. That's the company which makes carriers, which makes submarines. I'll make the video about this company. It's also a great defense contractor. Coming back to the Northrop Grumman, like I said, it is a great company which will always be in demand. Why? I will tell about this in the end of this video, so stay tuned.
Northrop Grumman is one of my favorite stocks because I don't have to do anything with this stock until 2035, my retirement time. I can just forget about this stock. This is my ultimate goal in investing, buying stock and keeping it forever. I took it from Warren Buffett. Northrop Grumman is the kind of company which is not going anywhere, because if you look at the human being history, there was always a war going on, and there always will be a demand for tools of war. So Northrop Grumman is positioned to capitalize on this part of a human nature which will always push for conflicts with each other. It is very sad, but at the same time inevitable, and it will stay with us forever. Please let me know what do you think about this company. Give me your opinion, positive and negative. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the thumb up. Please share this video with your friends on all social media platforms. I deeply appreciate all your help with building this channel. Thank you for being here. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Please stay healthy and well, and have a great day.